about the book secrets are also very popular. They actually use just these two words, the secret, as a book title, and then it became so popular. Why it became so popular? Because everybody wants to know what is the secret. The secrets are what are the secrets about? They want to find, and then they find and read the book of the secrets. But actually, those are very simple secrets. But the title of the book called The Secrets, and then becomes so popular. Okay, and then you can also incorporate, let's say the price, let's say it's the lowest price or money back guarantee as the headline or special offer. Okay, and then for writing, better to make it simple. Even though, for example, you are doing some industrial stuff or technical stuff, because normally your customer, they are laymen, they don't understand the technical terms, so you try to explain in layman terms. Okay, so let's say you are not very familiar with, you are not very internet savvy. If we tell you, okay, if you attend this seminar, you learn about the search engine optimization technique or SEO technique. Then you may scratch your head. What is SEO? What is search engine optimization? So you also don't understand it. So we don't use this kind of term. Maybe we instead of saying search engine optimization, we say, okay, if you attend this seminar, you learn how to get top rankings in search engines for free. And this is easier to understand. So instead of the technical jargon, you try to use the layman term.